In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload Excel files to Monday.com, whether you want to create a brand new board or add data into an existing one. If you're moving from spreadsheets into Monday or just received an Excel file from a client or teammate, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and stress-free. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the column mapping tips that can save you a lot of cleanup time later. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials. Let's start with method 1, importing your Excel file as a brand new board. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on your profile picture or workspace name. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that list, select Import Data. After clicking Import Data, you'll see different file type options. Choose Excel. Monday supports both .xlsx and .csv file formats, so make sure your spreadsheet is saved in one of those formats before uploading. Next, upload your Excel file from your computer. Once the file is uploaded, Monday.com will begin reading your spreadsheet and preparing it for import. Now comes one of the most important steps, mapping your columns. Monday will automatically try to detect the type of data in each column. For example, it may recognize dates as date columns, names as people columns, and progress fields as status columns. However, you should carefully review each column to make sure it's assigned correctly. You can manually change the column type if needed. For example, if a text field was incorrectly set as a status column, you can switch it back to text. Take a moment here to double-check everything. Proper column mapping ensures your board works smoothly with automations, filters, and views later on. Once you're satisfied with the column setup, click Create Board. Monday.com will now generate a completely new board using the data from your Excel file. All your rows will become items, and your columns will match the structure you just defined. This is perfect if you're starting a new project or migrating an entire spreadsheet into Monday. Now let's move on to method 2, uploading an Excel file into an existing board. If you already have a board set up and just want to add more items from an Excel sheet, this method is for you. First, open the board where you want to add the new data. Once you're inside the board, look for the New Item button. Next to it, you'll see a small downward arrow. Click that arrow to open additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Import Items. Then choose Excel as your file type. Upload your Excel file from your computer. Just like before, Monday will process the file and prompt you to map your columns. Here, you'll match your Excel columns to the existing columns in your board. For example, connect your Excel due date column to the board's date column, assign team members to the people column, and match status fields appropriately. If your Excel file contains a column that doesn't yet exist in your board, you may have the option to create a new column during the mapping process. Once everything is correctly aligned, click Import. Monday will then add each row from your Excel file as new items inside your existing board. This method is ideal when you're updating ongoing projects or merging external data into your workflow. And that's it. Those are the two easiest ways to upload Excel files to Monday.com, either by creating a brand new board or importing items into an existing one. The key thing to remember is to carefully review your column mapping before finalizing the import. That small step can prevent major formatting issues later. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.